Hi everyone, this is Susan. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make lasagna. So let's start. So today I'm going to be making lasagna, and I've got 100% dairy weight lasagna sheets, and I bought this from Lidl. Then here we got the red lasagna sauce, which is made from tomatoes. I've got the white lasagna sauce, which is made from cheese. I got the beef, minced beef, salt, olive oil for frying, thyme, white onion. I'm just going to use one full white onion, red hot pepper, and Maggi cubes, and voila, let's begin. So I'm heating up the frying pan. I'm gonna add some olive oil, so I'm just gonna heat up the oil. I think it's hot enough, and then I'm gonna stir in my minced beef. So you keep on stirring it till it browns. You still see that there's some pink parts, some pink bits, so I'm just going to keep on stirring it. I like to use extra virgin olive oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. And I like using beef. So it's getting brown. I'm just going to leave it a little bit now to keep frying. So I've got the salt. I'm going to add a teaspoon. For those people that may not understand what I mean by lasagna, it's basically pasta. So when you take it out, this is what it looks like. So I'm going to keep going till it's brown. If you want your lasagna to be tasty, delicious, you need to make sure that your beef is fried well. Nice and crispy, but not burnt. So I got some thyme. I'm going to take a teaspoon. That's going to give it a nice flavour. And then I'm going to add some onion, nicely chopped. So, at this stage I just take one piece of beef and taste it. Yeah, I like the flavour. So, I'm adding the red lasagna sauce. And I bought this, I think this was about 75 pence or 65 pence from Lidl. I like using 2 bottles because 1 bottle is not enough. I like my lasagna juicy. You stir the tomato sauce, mix it up nicely with the beef and the thyme and the onions to get a lovely paste, or sauce actually, not paste, to get a lovely sauce. See, it's looking like stew. I'm going to let it boil, but I'm going to add some more water to it because I want it to boil and cook thoroughly. I'm going to add all of it. So that was 350 mils. So I've got my 2 cubes of Maggi stock. And now I'm going to add my hot pepper and then give it a stir to make sure everything's well mixed together. So I'm just going to taste it. I like the taste. I'm just going to leave it to boil and get slightly thick. So I'll leave it to cook, marinate for about 5 minutes, and then I'll come back and show you what next I'll do. And this is the consistency that I like. So I'm going to scoop. So this is my oven dish. Just ignore this, it's an old one and I like it. So I'll place my oven dish into the baking tray because this oven dish hasn't got any handle. And then I'm just going to scoop some and put in here. I'm going to place some lasagna sheets in here. So I put some lasagna sheets in here, and then I'm going to scoop some in. So I've got the white sauce, which is made from cheese. Okay, so now you can see the pasta is well covered with the red sauce that I made, and then I've put the white sauce on top to make it nice and juicy. So what I'm going to do now is place the lasagna in the oven for an hour at gas smack 200. Let's see what it looks like. Yummy! Lasagna is ready. Delicious. This is very good. Very nice. I love it. Out of 10, what would you rate it?
2000.
Oh my goodness! Yay! I did a good job.